Hey guys, in this video I want to teach you some phrases and questions that you need in daily conversation. So, don't miss this valuable video. Enjoy it. First, and the basic question that you have to know in every conversation, especially daily conversation, is how are you? But there is a lot of way you can answer this question. Easiest way to answer this question is I'm fine, thank you. Another way you can say I'm good, thank you. Or just I'm good. Or maybe you can say not bad. But if you wanna tell more detailed, you can say like that. I would be better if she didn't show up. It means that she don't like her. So when she showed up, actually she is mad. After you answer that question, you should ask him, how about you? Till he answer you about his feeling. Then he can use all the answers that you used before. Like, I'm great. It's a simple one to use it. Another important and basic question is that, how old are you? It refers to the someone's age. So she or he should say her age or his age. For example, she will tell that I'm 25 years old. Or in a simple one, she can say I'm just 25. That's enough. People are really curious to know where you grow up, so they will ask you this question. Where are you from? It's a simple one and you should answer it like that. You can answer like this. I'm from and mention your country. Maybe UK, maybe United States, and every country that you live. Or just name of the country, just USA, just UK. But in formal way they ask you like this, what is your nationality? And then you should tell them about your nationality, where do you grow up, and tell the name of the country. Like this, I'm American, I'm British, I'm French. Hey guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Another practical question is that, what is your job? The people really want to know what you're doing, so they will ask it, what is your job? And you should tell them about that. You can tell them like this, my job is teaching. Or maybe if you are an engineer, you can say, my job is engineering. Another way to say that is, I'm a teacher, I'm an engineer. So you have two ways, use noun or use gerund to tell about your job to the people. Another practical question is that, about being married or being single. So they ask like this, are you married, are you single? If you are couple, you have husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, you should say I'm married. If you don't have, you should say I'm single. Where do you live? It means that what city do you live? It's not referring to the country you grow up or your national. What country is your nationality? It's just you can name the city right now you're living in that city. For example, I live in London, or just you can say London. Or I live in Washington DC, just Washington DC, like that. When you want to communicate with someone, you have to know which language he uses. So you should ask like this, do you speak English? If she does or he does, they will tell you like that. Yes, I speak English, or yes, I do. Another way that you can ask, maybe they speak English or not, you can ask it like that. Can you speak English? If she can or he can, they will tell you, yes, I can speak English, or yes, just I can. It's a simple one.